Oh, hello there, my Capricorn Collective Sun, Moon, Rising signs. How are you? Welcome to your What Do I Need read, quickie read, for this full moon in October to new moon next, which is also in October. We're not actually crossing over into November, which is lovely, which means I'll have to crank out another one of these for new moon to full moon next at the end of this month. And absolutely, I do these reads now regularly, at least twice a month. So go have a look in the playlists. I have lots of playlists. I'm a Virgo, Capricorn. I'm sure you understand the Earth sign thing. Let's make sure it's all organized. But if you are new to my channel, I am Mark Angela Lyons, president of DrawingTheCircle Productions, professional witch, professional intuitive, and having a field day doing these YouTube readings since summer solstice. Really quite enjoying it all. A quickie read. One card from each of the four decks, what I call my usual suspects. We've got the voice of the angels, healing with the angels, oracle, Doreen Virtue. We've got the voice of the gods, all right, my gods, my Hellenic gods, but really just a lens through which to perceive the divine with the daughters of the moon tarot. Voice of the ascended masters, those who have graduated Earth School and are reaching back through the dimensions to help with the Chuck Spazana love pack, and the higher selves, fifth dimension and evolved, and above, evolved obviously, involved, for what's going on for you. A what do I need read is nothing more than asking the divine, well, what do I need? Not where am I going, not where have I been, not what do they think, what should, not, so this isn't even what should I do, it's what do I need, right? It's the most direct question you can ask for the divine, and sometimes it's right in front of you. So let's have a look. And we'll do these pretty quickly. These have been coming out pretty quick. So we'll start with the angels. Already blessed the decks, already connected, felt really lovely, always does, but let's see what cards hit the table. My angels, please, one card in clarity. There you are for the Capricorn Collective. Sun, Moon, Rising signs for this full moon to new moon next October 2019. My angels, what do they need? Blessings. This came up for the Sagittarius read right before this one. So I will say for you what I said to them. You know, first card down, you need blessings. Sure, you need blessings. Everyone needs blessings, but perhaps you need to be the one doing the blessings. And as in the Sagittarian read, perhaps the blessings are in front of you, but you are not seeing them, which is very easy to do because, well, the state of the world, for starters, very distracting, all the turmoil going on. Or maybe it's internal stuff that's going on to yin, finding that balance of yin and yang. Inner and outer, so much change going on. You might not see that it's all a blessing, that it's all happening for you, particularly when our eyes don't see it, right? So to be a blessing, but that's why we have these. Let's ask the gods. Persephone in particular, who's sits solo in the throne of Capricorn for me. So please, my Persephone, now in the underworld, queen of the underworld, please. One card in clarity for this Capricorn Collective, Sun, Moon, Rising sign for this full moon to new moon next. What do they need? The angels say blessings. What say you, my lady? What say you, my queen of the underworld? What do they need? Oh. Ten of Cups ecstasy. Oh, you're loving it. You're loving it. That what you need is to have your Ten of Cups moment, to ecstasy, let your cup overflow, to have and embrace the blessings around you emotionally, to feel them, to allow them to flow through you. Now, it's interesting, because this is a waning moon, this would definitely be about things falling away, to let that, that geyser, that Ten of Cups that we all want, right? To come out, sort of like, well, what is a geyser? It's water and heat that's been under pressure for a long time until it just hits critical mass and whoa, comes up. So though this is a blessing, but trust me, when I spend time every day blessing, in fact, that's how I cut down smoking cigarettes to really under a quarter pack a day on a good day. Where I only smoke the cigarettes as blessing butts, right? Because, you know, it's something that I can do. It's actually using tobacco for its original sacred context. I'm trying to do that with everything in my life as I'm being guided. You know, brushing your teeth in sacred context, it's a little much. But I know that as I'm blessing, that higher vibrational, all about love, you can't bless from a place of fear, right? Whew, all of that has to come through me and out, and of course comes back multiplied. And this is just so worth it. I mean, Inanna's House of Heaven. Really lovely that you're able to truly embrace that. Very happy for you, Capricorn. I know, ruled by Saturn. Not so much fun all the time. But this looks good. But now, of course, we have the Chuck's Pisano Love Pack, which we know serve up some womp womps. Womp womp. Right? Not always when the cards look great, but sometimes I'm like, oh, Masters, really? But, you know, the Masters are serving from love, too. They've been in the game. They know what this is like. So if there's something we really need to look at or know about, they want us to know, but they don't serve spoilers. But they do give guidance when we ask, what do we need? So my Masters, please, one card in clarity for this Capricorn collective, Sun, Moon, Rising sign. This full moon to new moon next. Beloved Ascended Masters, what do they need? What do they need? This card. Makes sense? Openness, right? You need to be open to the blessings and open to this emotional tidal wave from within. Yes, there are probably going to be blessings that trigger it on the outside. But really enjoy it and be open to this. Well, because the 10 is a culmination of an emotional cycle that started at the Ace, right? The Ace of Cups, that offering of love, that seed of happiness. This is so far, I think, just the most lovely one that I've done so far. I think Leo had a good one today, Virgo had a good one today, but this is just like, oh, it's so soothing. So really enjoy it. It's like 10 of Cups hot tub, right? Enjoy. Mystical hot tub. That's worse than a time-traveling hot tub, trust me. The Hot Tub of Divine Mystery. Sounds like a book by Mark Angelo Lyons, Professional Witch. Personal cauldrons for fun and profit. Higher selves of all involved. I mean, the higher selves have senses of humor, nothing like the Ascended Masters do. Yeah, no, thank you. I apologize. Look at me spill my cards. Spill the tea across the table. Please, the higher selves of all involved, please, one card in clarity. For this Capricorn collective, Sun, Moon, Rising sign, this full moon to new moon next, what do they need? Top card, got it. Love who you are. You are divine. You are a divine and wonderful person, deserving all of the wonderful things that life has to offer. Love who you are. Love who you are. Love who you are. 3 times a charm. And that does make sense. The angels are saying you need to look at your blessings, or you need to be both, right? Look at your blessings, appreciate your blessings, bless your blessings, and let them flow through you out into the world to bless all of life. May all of life be blessed. Starts there. May all of life be blessed. May all humans be blessed. May all hearts be healed. May all beings be healed. You know, however you want to play that for yourself. Can be done silently, can be done aloud. Light a candle, don't light a candle. I mean, we're coming to full moon. You might as well, right? Just bless the living crap out of everything in the world and the entire quantum collective of the divine planet Earth and beyond. You know, go for it. You're Capricorn. You can handle it. Slow and steady wins the race, because those blessings, they're beautiful. They're emotionally fulfilling. You can't get more emotionally fulfilled than that 10 of Cups. Inanna's house of heaven, my Capricorns. You worked hard enough, right? But are you open to it? Are you open to it? Are you going to wait for the other shoe to drop? Or are you just going to stay in that present moment? Why? Because this is all about you loving who you are. Not just the truth of who you are, the higher self part, the eternal soul, but the character you play here. Love who you are. You know, as much as I've been doing self-love work since, the 80s, You Can Heal Your Life, Louise Hay and Shakti Gawain's Creative Visualization, Living in the Light. I mean, those where I cut my teeth on metaphysics. Oh, I had already read Scott Cunningham before that. I had already done Gavin and Yvonne Frost back in the 70s, right? I'm a reader. Well, not just this kind. I mean, I used to read books. Now we go like this. But to get that, to love the character that you're playing, that you were chosen to play this role, my Capricorn, your personality, right? Your name, date, serial number, right? All that stuff. And to love who you are in this life, because there are blessings. And it strikes me every now and again how, like, I can be a gay witch with purple hair living on Long Island, and I haven't, haven't been lynched yet, right? Haven't been taken down, haven't been shot, haven't been assassinated. Why? Well, I lived through the 60s, the 70s, the 80s, the 90s, the first decade of the new millennia, and here we are getting ready for the second, and I'm still here. You know, what a blessing that I get to do what I love, that I get to grow, heal, evolve, become the best that I can be, and in service. And those are my big blessings. So every day, not as spiritual busy work, but in that place of stepping back and saying, you know, if I'm not really appreciative for everything that's going on in my life, though I may not have everything I want, I may not be closer, maybe I am, to getting everything I want, my heart's desire, but let me just for now, just for today, appreciate all that I have. And in that desire for appreciation and even gratitude, it rises. So give it a shot. Really lovely reading. My Capricorns, I love all my earth signs in general. Okay, yeah, I'm a little prejudicial. I got a soft spot for the earth signs. We have a little bit rougher than the rest, I think. Maybe I'm right, maybe I'm wrong. But this is just so lovely for you. I'm so happy for you. So please like and subscribe. If you're new to the channel, if you're one of my subscribers, may you blessed, and really may we all be blessed. And may you be blessed with the very best of what you need for this full moon to new moon next October 2019. But for now, I will sign off as I always do. Heartfelt. Hail, farewell, and blessed be.